Yeah, buddy. Woo-hoo! Fatty. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Hella Fish. We're back out here again on the Snake River. We're going after Channel Catfish. Me and my fishing buddy Sopha. Got our old spot back too. Yeah. Now we're gonna set up camp, get ready to fish. No. Yeah, it is.
Sucker. I got a sucker.
Feel it?
Yeah, I got a sucker.
Sure?
Get a net, I got a sucker.
Alright, let me grab it and bring it right here. You probably got a catfish.
Oh shit.
Real. Catfish. Oh, suckers. Oh, shit.
I got a sucker. I told you. I got a sucker. Slide him up.
Huh?
Slide him up.
Yeah.
Fresh
Look at this, guys.
I told you I got a sucker.
Sucker fish.
I told you I got a sucker. That's a big right there. Last us all night.
This is what's gonna get our catfish.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, beautiful fish. Yeah.
Take him hook up.
Yeah, that's a nice looking fish. But we're gonna use this for bait though.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Well, look at this, guys. Back-to-back suckers. Wrong species though. We need catfish. But this guy is gonna be bait. Alright guys, just a little update on catfishing. So far we just got 2 suckers. We got a lot of bites. We missed a couple bites too, but still early in the day. It's about 3 p.m. Fish don't start biting until what, 8, 9? About 8, 9 o'clock p.m. And now we're just chilling, having some beer, cooking some steak. Oh man, look at that. That looks good. That looks really good, actually. But yep. Gonna keep grinding it out. Stay tuned. What happened? Under? Dude, that's a fatty.
She's a fatty, crabby patty. See, you're
Shit!
you just throw a fucking far, man. It's all about
Watch this. Alright guys, sorry you guys missed it, but look, we finally got it. Damn! Wow, dude. Now he can say wow. All right, guys.
Yeah, the little belly up.
I just had a double whammy. I missed it on video, but I caught these on one pole. Look at that. Double whammy. Dude, I knew it when it was really heavy. Yeah. It got really heavy right here. Like, that's either a freaking 30, 40 pounder or what?
How the hell happened though? That's my fucking line right there.
Oh no, 6 pounds, 6 ounce.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Sopha got another fish on. Sopha got a fish on. Oh, look at that fatty.
Krabby Patty.
Krabby Patty.
Look at that belly.
Look. Let me see if I can net with one hand. Straight into it, straight in. Oh! Drop it. Drop. Yeah. Yeah. She's a fatty. Fuck. Look at that, guys. Wow.
Wow.
Good job. Biting.
Just throw it down too.
Another train bite, guys. Let's see if we can get another train bite. What do you think they got in there?
Sheetrock.
Sheetrock. Wow. Train bite. Let's get it. Let's get it. See any shingles on there? Yeah. Does look like sheetrock though, huh? Building material.
Oh yeah. Come on home, baby.
Got a fish on, guys. Fish on.
Come on home.
Man, look at that shark pole.
Ooh, come on home.
The party just getting started, guys. Feel good?
Come on home. Oh yeah.
Keep it going. Keep it going. Don't stop.
Come on home.
Don't let them stop.
Come on home.
Yeah.
Come on home, baby. Oh shit. Oh shit.
You coming?
I don't know where the fuck is that.
Just keep pumping it, man. Yeah, put, try to get him right in front of me. Ooh. Ah. Oh, what's your line? Yeah, buddy. Woo-hoo! Fatty.
The fatty, the same.
Good job, man. Good job.
Oh yeah.
That's a good eater. That's a good eater right there. You didn't waste no time on that, huh? You saw it pump one time, bam!
Indeed.
Look at that, guys. Oh man, this is like a repeat, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, that's a fatty.
Krabby Patty.
Look at that belly.
belly.
Look at that. Show me the belly.
Look at that belly.
Oh man. Okay, guys, we're gonna wrap it up for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.